How can we add more pages in Affinity by Canva? Keep in mind, if you know in advance that you need multiple pages, you can actually toggle multi-page option while you are creating the document. They will allow you to tell them exactly how many pages do you need, and you can also decide that you want them in the booklet format, so you got left page and right page, or just page by page. All right, so that's an option while you're making a brand new document. But let's say we did know about that and created a document already, so we got only one page here. In that case, if you are still in the vector mode, you can click the artboard tool. So the pages in Affinity are called artboards. In here, you will see plus button around your artboard. So you can decide which direction you want to keep adding pages. So let's say, click this plus on the right. Now I got two artboards, I got 2 pages. If you want to quickly move around artboard with multiple pages, you can hold space bar, you get this little pan tool, little hand, and you can actually keep adding them. If you got too many pages that are hard to manage, you can switch from vector mode to layout mode. In this mode, you can see your pages on the left, and it's way easier to navigate between them. You can also add new pages from here, from the layout mode as well. So you can add new pages here, you can duplicate pages, and you can delete them from the layout section, and that's right now the ideal place to manage your pages. So there are 3 ways we can create pages from the beginning when you make a new document. We can use artboard tool in the vector section, or we can head straight to the layout and just use the page manager on the left to create brand new pages, duplicate existing ones, or delete pages. You can also like reorder them. So you can just drag them around to change the order of your pages. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.